Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use AI-generated wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! As you can see, I have this boring wallpaper, which is, I believe, the default wallpaper for Samsung, so let's change it to something cool. First, we can go into our wallpaper settings by simply pressing and holding, and then going into wallpaper and style on our home screen. Now, let's enter change wallpapers. And finally, we want to scroll down into generative with create with AI. Note that you will probably need a Samsung account for this. Now we have some very cool things that we can see happened before. So we have this translucent, we have this terrain, night generation, and all of that are wallpapers generated with AI. And as you can see, we have these 9 main categories, with my favorite being imaginary, I believe, because it's pretty just fun. So I believe we can go into imaginary. And now we have few things. As you can see, by default we have a surreal lamp made of flowers in shades of pink and purple. And of course, these 3 things can be clicked and can be switched to something else. So for example, we can go away with the lamp and we can switch it to something cool. And I think I will go with castle. Now the castle won't be made of flowers, but instead let's make it so it's made out of silk. And we can't do a song here, but that would be really epic silk song reference. Damn. So I will keep the castle, or the building. Let's go with the building. Oh, come on, okay, I will go with the lamp. So we have the lamp, and I'm going to go with the colors of burgundy and maroon. I have no idea if I spelled this correctly, but these colors look kind of similar to colors from the Hornets cape, or skirt, actually. And I have no idea what's going on because we need to log in. Oh, I'm guessing we also have to need a Google account, which is pretty interesting. So not only you need to have a Samsung account, but you need to have Google account as well. Well, I will quickly log in. Okay, my Google account is now added, and now we can hit generate, and we need to go and click let's go. And now after a moment we should be able to generate ourselves a nice little wallpaper made out of silk. Now, do we see that silk? Well, kind of. As you can see, the lamp is very, very weird. This kind of looks like a mushroom. This looks pretty cool. I will go and set it. We can set it as lock screen or home screen. I will only set it as lock screen. And let's hit done. Which is pretty cool, I believe. And now, of course, nobody is stopping us from, for example, going once again into create with AI, but this time we can create something else. So, for example, I will go into painting, and as you can see, painting also has weird things, like we can go with the painting of a jungle. So I will switch it, and oh, we have plenty of different things here. Well, let's make another Silksong reference, shall we? So I think we can go into let's go into coral reef, because I think there is an area that looks like a coral reef. And let's just go with nothing else, and let's put it in the I would say that the abstract pointillism looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's looking pretty interesting. So let's just hit generate. As you can see, I've pulled some random things together in hopes of getting a nice Silksong reference. And we have this beautiful coral relief, which looks actually kind of interesting. I think I will go with this one. So let's go with generate. No, let's go with set, and let's set this one as home screen. And now if we go here, we can see this beautiful wallpapers made with AI. As you can see, we do have the watermark that this is indeed an AI generated content. so you have to remember that. But basically that's the end of this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.